Kids' channels are taking over YouTube with their fun, colorful animations and catchy songs that kids absolutely adore, and they're making millions. One channel, for example, generates an astonishing $424,000 in revenue every 28 days. And to think, a few years ago, creating a channel like this might have seemed impossible, but thanks to AI, it's now easier than ever. In this video, I'll show you how I created this animated video.
Join the song, come one, come all, big and small, answer the call. Flutes and drums, the sweetest tune, playing 'neath the silver moon. Crickets hum with violins, owls keep time with gentle spins.
I'll show you how I created this animated video with a song in just minutes using powerful AI tools. Without wasting another second, let's dive in and break it all down so you can start your own channel and tap into this incredible opportunity. Step 1. Writing the script and song. Every great video starts with a solid idea. Don't worry if you don't have one right away. AI can help with that. Let's start with Claude AI, one of my favorite tools. There's a link in the description if you haven't signed up. Once signed in, we'll ask Claude AI to generate 5 ideas for kids' song stories. I have included the prompt I used in the description of this video. For example, this idea caught my eye, so for the purpose of this video, we go with this. Next, we'll ask Claude AI to write the full script and song lyrics. By the way, I have also left you the prompt in the description for you to modify, and in just a few clicks, we have everything we need. To prepare for the next step, we'll also ask Claude AI to create image prompt descriptions for each scene of the story. Once these prompts are ready, it's time to move on to visuals. Step 2. Generating visuals with Leonardo AI. Now that we have our image prompts ready, we can bring them to life with Leonardo AI. If you haven't signed up yet, use the link in the description to get started. It's quick and easy. Let's begin by opening Leonardo AI and heading to image creation. For the settings, style, cinematic concept, or 3D render. Dimensions, 16 by 9, perfect for long-form videos. Number of images per generation. Set it to 4 for multiple options. Next, we'll take our first prompt from Claude AI, paste it into Leonardo AI, and click Generate. If the result isn't quite what you're looking for, you can tweak the prompt and try again. We'll repeat this process for all the prompts until every scene is ready. Step 3. Animating the images. Once we have the visuals, it's time to add movement. This step brings the images to life, making the video engaging. We'll use Halo AI for this, but there are other options like Runway and Luma AI. Use the link in the description of this video for easy access. Once you've signed up and arrived on this page, click Create. First, upload your images to Halo AI by clicking here. Next, we'll add action prompts to describe how we want the subjects to move, including any camera shifts. Once the prompts are set, click Generate and wait for the animations to process. Let's see the result. Look at that movement. Wow, isn't the result amazing? If the movement doesn't feel right, we can re-upload the image and adjust the prompts. Let's repeat this for all the visuals until every animation is complete. Step 4. Creating the song. Now for the music. If you're not a musician, no problem. AI has got us covered. We'll use Suno AI to create a completely original, copyright-free song. The link is in the description to make it easy to get started. Once you're here, click on Create to get started. Then, turn on the custom setting to achieve this. We'll paste the lyrics we generated earlier into Suno AI. For the style, we can either choose one ourselves or ask Claude AI to suggestion music style for our video. Copy it and paste it here. Once everything is set, click Generate and wait for the options to appear. Let's listen to the results and pick the one that fits the story best.
In the forest under the sky so wide, music flows where hearts collide. A squirrel drums on a corn shell.
With the song ready, we're almost at the finish line. Step 5. Editing the video. Finally, we'll bring everything together in CapCut. Open the app and create a new project. Import all the clips and the song. Start by dragging the song into the timeline, then match each animated clip to the corresponding lyrics. Once everything is synced, let's add transitions between clips to make the flow smoother. Select a transition style that works for the video's theme. We can also add some video effects and a final filter to tie everything together. For captions, use the Auto Caption tool under the Text tab to apply text to the video. However, for this video, I will leave it as it is. Once the video is ready, export it in 1080p, name the file, and export it. Before showing the final result, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share if this tutorial was helpful. Bonus tips: setting up the channel. To start a channel like this, we'll need a name, profile image, and banner. Take inspiration from successful channels. Screenshot one and upload it to Claude AI. Ask for similar name ideas and prompt descriptions for the visuals, including the back cover and the profile image. Then, paste the prompts on Leonardo AI to create the profile picture and banner. And there you have it, a complete guide to creating a kids' animation channel using AI. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.